Got a great strategy, but struggling to implement it? Tired of managing disconnected scorecards using Excel? Ready for a new performance management tool? Did you know, most companies waste huge amounts of time and money integrating complicated strategy and performance management tools? 80% of implementations fail, take an average of 3 months to set up, and result in little value and low return on investment. Introducing Kippy, Performance Management, made simple. Kippy simplifies strategy communication to your teams and how they report back on its execution with minimal time and effort. Kippy links your strategy, KPIs, and projects together with fixed one-time KPI reweighting and clear vertical drill downs. Kippy moves your strategy management to the cloud, drive strategy presentations with live dashboards using your voice, and collaborate with governance and security. By default, Kippy is self-set up with a free trial and pay-per-use pricing, so you can start now with no upfront cost and go live within a week. Find out more at www.kippy.cloud. Kippy, Performance Management, made simple.